Welcome everyone back to the channel. Surprise, surprise. I know it's been like 27 days since the last upload. Sorry about that. In the background you can see our little welding hut that we made, little welding tent. Been very busy lately. Been doing a bunch of fences, welding a bunch. Tuesday I went ahead and took a 6G pipe test, restricted. It went very well with my root after tacking it up. Went to go sharpen my tungsten, went back in. The QC came in behind me to check to see how I was doing since it was taking so long, and noticed that I didn't get my pipe marked, so I busted essentially, so that kind of sucks. But Tristan and I got our apps in for a bunch of other places, so that's what we're going to be doing. Just getting ready for all that so we can go make some money for the farm and everything. We got our tractor back about 2-3 weeks ago, something like that. Probably right before the last video was uploaded. We got it that day. That was a big hassle because we've been having bad issues with tires. So when we got there to pick up the tractor, tire was flat on the trailer. Had to go to our buddy Waylon's work. I'm sorry, Waylon. Next time we do a fence, I'll bring the camera so you can be on YouTube. He helped us patch it, got the trailer tractor loaded, got the implements loaded. I think my dad is actually on the tractor now, so I can't show you the third function valve. Probably this video I won't be able to, but next video I will. Third function valve, what is it? Rear remote, got all that good stuff. We got our box blade, which is really nice. He actually has the bucket on it right now, and the 6 or 7 foot land rake, but we have a grapple here. Super easy, quick connect. It's awesome. Gonna be able to do a lot of work with it. Need to do a lot more upkeep around here. Just been super busy. As you'll see later, our cows are out there. I'll take you to go see them in person, but before that you'll be able to see a little bit of it with the drone. Walking over to our pig pen that we built, I don't even remember how many videos ago, but we have our pigs in it. We got 2 female potbelly pigs. We're going to be getting a male soon so that we can do all that good stuff. I have a simple circuit hot wire on the inside of this. It is powered by one of our Premier One fencing energizers. That is correct. We finally have our Premier One fencing because that's what our chickens are in and that's what our cattle's in. But they're awesome. They probably weigh about 65 pounds, maybe, something like that. But yeah, I'll go walk over to the cows, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna let you watch them on some drone footage, so enjoy. So I hope y'all enjoyed that little flyover over them. It's just a short little snippet. In the background you'll see a mobile chicken coop that we're building. Just waiting for some axles to come in so Tristan and I can break them apart, weld them up, and put them under that. I'll show you it in a minute. But that mobile chicken coop probably weighs 1,200 pounds or something like that. It's stout. Actually, I hear them in the distance over there, my dad and my stepmom. Cows get moved every 24 hours. They're on a afternoon rotation, so in the afternoon we move them. We move their paddock. Previous video I mentioned that this is currently running 8,000 kilovolts. It's more than enough for these cows. It's recommended to run 2 to 4 kilovolts, which is 2 to 4,000 volts. But yeah, here they are. They are Black Angus, Angus cross. As you can see that red one right there. It's the Angus, but they're all male. They're obviously castrated, all that good stuff, but they're loving it, being able to eat all the grass and healthy. Haven't had any issues with them. They move very well. They're pretty much, I mean, they're trained to the Premier One fencing. Haven't had any issues with that. To start off, it can be a little bit time consuming, but it's good, it works. It's kind of expensive. None of the things that we buy are sponsored, so you'll get a just review from us. They have been getting a little bit of oxidation, that's the word, yeah, oxidation from the electrolysis. So when there's moisture in the ground, there's voltage going through, it breaks them down a little bit, but they should be good for years. Husqvarna zero turn, we cut the paddocks you've seen in our last video, and then we lay them out. It's good to go. From drone footage that you're going to see in a second, you'll be able to tell how much the grass has changed. So our chickens are on a rotation as well. Technically, they're supposed to be rotated every 2 days, but Tristan and I have been super busy working, so we haven't been able to move them as often. But the fly production from the cow patties hasn't been what it is supposed to be just yet. We don't have that many flies out here, so that was the mindset behind them. The chickens would eat the flies from the cow patties, but there just hasn't been that many flies. So we've been supplementing them with their laying mash, because they're on laying mash now. They're, what is it, 20 weeks? But we should be seeing some eggs soon. Let me show you this. So if you can tell how green the grass is in comparison to what they just ate a few days ago. So after they're rotated, their manure, the chicken's manure, adds the nutrients back to the grass and to the soil. So the next time that they're cycled over here in their paddocks, it'll be even more so. So we're bringing them over in that field. They're getting moved over there closer and closer each day, and then we'll cycle them back, complete the cycle. Realistically, with the setup that we're doing right now, we could probably have 30 or 40 cows on just the 2 fields that we have. It's an efficient way to get the best quality beef, the best quality grass, and before we take them to harvest, like before we slaughter them, we'll be grain finishing them, because a lot of people don't like grass-fed beef. The fat is yellow, it's a little bit more gamey, but we'll grain finish them and then be selling them to people who want it. So when that time comes, if you're interested, I'll let you know how to do that, but that's for next year. They're currently weighing between 600, 700 pounds. Hopefully we can get them to 1,200, 1,300 pounds. That'd be nice, especially with the price of beef of what it is currently. In our local area, 1 pound of ground beef is going for like $10, $12. It's crazy. It's from the COVID-19 stuff. They have all the animals, but they don't have anybody to process it, etc., etc., etc. But yeah, walking out to the chickens. Sorry if I'm talking really quick. I'm trying to make this video not like 40 minutes. Although I know Carl would like it, since it's been a minute since I've had a upload, which I am sorry. I'm very sorry, but super nice. It's about 90 something degrees. It's not fun, but we're almost out. We're almost here. I'm just so surprised. You can see in the background how green it is here. In a few days it'll be just as green. Walking the chickens behind our cows, they actually spread out the manure. They create their own manure, add more nitrogen, more minerals, everything like that to our soil. Like I said, you can hear our ducks. This old faithful truck has been beat up, but whatever. Tristan and I welded together this water trailer. We were going to use that for our mobile chicken coop, but we're building it out of wood instead. So that's how we are moving this IBC tote. It's 255 gallons, 275 gallons, and that's what we're watering the chickens and the cows with. Let's go right here. So Premier One fencing, as you had seen in the last video, easy. I'll disconnect it real quick. Let's see if we have any food in here. We do. Get some feed for them. Watch this. Guineas. Over. And just like that, they were hiding from the drum. Get a few more scoops, and yeah, should be good. They don't get that much because there's bugs and everything out here for them. But yeah, they're happy, content. Haven't had any predator issues like hawks. We haven't lost any more chickens or guineas. One of the guineas is an escape artist. If that drag coop isn't inside the fence enough, it will get on top of it and jump off over the fence, but it flies back over. We did clip the chicken's wings, so 86 divided by 2 is 43. We cut 43 right wings and then 43 left wings to even them all out. So the chickens cannot fly, they can hover a little bit. But yeah, ducks will be going towards the pond in the near future after we build a duck hut for them so they can nest and everything in there. There is one male and one female. But yeah, it's pretty good. May connect this back up again and it's good to go. If you want to see me shock myself, I could show you, but I'd rather not. It's not fun. I mean, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt at all, but it's still not fun. Then just go ahead and click it. And now it's live. It doesn't hurt the animal. It doesn't hurt at all. It's kind of just scary a little bit. It's like, oh, it's like a very strong vibration. It feels like a little bit. But yeah, my wife and my daughter over there in the distance probably came out to see what I was doing. But yeah, thank you so much, everyone. I know we got a few more subscribers since the last time I uploaded, so thank y'all so much. Like our stuff, share it with your friends, share it with people on Facebook. We're on Facebook, Valley Farms. We're on Instagram, Valley Farms. Thank y'all so much, and I will do my best to get more videos out throughout the week. More videos more frequently, but with working and fence building and all this and that, it can be a little bit hard. But I'll get another video out for sure this week, and we'll see where that goes. So thank y'all so much. Like, comment, share as much as you can, and subscribe if you're new. All right, thank y'all. Enjoy.